Good evening. Today's review article of the scientific interpretation of the Vamanaha, written by the Praveen Lendal, CDY course, sir, and the Dr. PG Sali, sir. They are from the Shari Rachna Department, Government Ayurvedic College, Nanded, in Maharashtra, from the India. Abstract: Brahmana is a Sanshodhana Chikitsa in which violated dosha are eliminated from the body through the kapha mula sthana. It is useful in a healthy as well as a ailing person. It is neglected due to a fear of a complication. The present paper endeavor to the interpretation of the Vamana karma in a scientific way, which helps the physician to propagate Vamana as a treatment on a large scale for the respiratory disorder, skin disorder, obesity, pre-diabetic, and much more. Keywords: Vamana, kapha mula sthana. Introduction. Ayurveda is well known to entire world because of its a unique method of a treatment. Government of Russia has given a legal recognition to the profession of a doctor of a Ayurveda medicine. A striking feature of a Sanshodhana Chikitsa is brought to a notice by Acharya Charaka. He has mentioned that Vamana is a Vamana is a apunarabhava chikitsa, means no recurrence of a disease. Vamana is one of the five pradhana karma of the panchakarma, is used to treat a kapha disorder. Vamana eliminate the violated kapha dosha from our body. Likewise, in a modern medical sciences, stomach wash is used to eliminate the toxins in some cases of a poisoning. This is may comparable to a Vamana mentioned in the Ayurvedic text. The success of these or any therapeutic procedure depend upon the proper administration of a karma. The administration of a Vamana followed by an appropriate principle as stated by the Acharya will help to minimize the pre and post procedural complication very effectively. The scientific interpretation also provides anatomically, physiological, and the pharmacological evidence to prove the principle postulated by the Charaka. What is the aim of this study? Critical study of the Vamana karma and its karmukta, that is mechanism of action in relation with the modern medical science. Objective: to consider the Vamana karma in terms of a modern medical science, to recognize Vamana as a treatment, to determine biochemical changes before and after the Vamana karma. Then material and method: a detailed literary review of a Vamana and the images mentioned in all classic of Ayurveda and the modern science. References are logically analyzed. Scientific study carried out in the recent past by some research scholar. Review of the literature. Vamana is carried out a three-step: Purva Karma, pre-procedure, Pradhana, chief procedure, and the Paschata Karma procedure. Purva Karma, Snehapana, internal oleation should be done for the 3 to 7 days. Even if the lipid level increasing during Snehapan, it is a transient and comes to a normal after the Samyaka Shodhana. Svedana, steep, and a kapha utklesha ahara for the utkleshon of a dosha. For example, dadihi, mamsa given to the patient on the previous day of a Vamana. It fascinates violated dosha to collect in the koshta so that it can be removed by the Vamana karma. If this dosha remain in the imbalanced state or in the body, they cause a various disease. Pradhana karma, chief procedure of the Vamana. After a bath, a patient is made to sit on the Janusan asan. Now, Dravadravya, for example, milk, exurus, sugarcane is given to the patient. Akanthapanah. This will cause a distension of the stomach and the esophagus, which in a turn stimulate the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve stimulate a vomiting center and emesis occur. Before administering a Vamana Aushadhi, Vaidya should enchant the verse mentioned in the Siddhisthana. Now wait for a Vana Muhurta, nearly 48 minutes for the Vega, actual event of the vomiting. Vamana Aushadhi has an following guna: asatmya, unsuitable; bibitsa, aversive; dorgandhya, unpleasant smell; then Durdarshan, ugly looking. Then cerebral cortex has an emitting center. Cerebral cortex has an emitting center which is situated by the psychic stimuli such as a nauseatic odor, sight, and the noise. Due to a bibitsa and a Durdarshana guna, visual sensory impulse go to the emitting center and emitting reflexes will occur. It has the following gunaha ushnaha, that is a svedane ushnaha, देन् तीक्ष्णः, शोधने तीक्ष्णः, सूक्ष्मः, विवरणे सूक्ष्मः, व्यवाहि, स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर द बॉडी विदाउट बीइंग डाइजेस्टेड, विकासी, संधिबंधन, शैथिल्य, पश्चात कर्म, पोस्ट प्रोसीजर, आफ्टर सम्यक प्रयोगः, क्लीन द लिम्स एंड द फेस, रेस्ट फॉर 1 मुहूर्तकाल, सुटेबल धूमपान, तांबूलसेवनः, निवातगाते शयम, स्नेहोक्त आचारविधि एंड द संसर्जन कर्म. सम्यक yoga dosha are eliminated in the sequence. Firstly kapha, then pittaha, and at last vataha. Pittante vamana is considered as a shrestha, that is a proper, rudaya shuddhi, murdha shuddhi, and lagutva are achieved. Discussion and the scientific interpretation. Rudya has a two meaning. First one, heart, and second, brain. Here Rudya may be a heart or a brain because both are capable to carry a dravya all over the body in a short duration by using their circulatory and the nervous system respectively. Aushadha have an above the mentioned guna towards Rudya because it's a Swavirya. Swavirya may be a vascular path or a veins or a sensory stimuli by a nerve, that is a chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor and the baroreceptor, which are connected to the heart and the brain respectively. Now it is go to the all sthula, that is a macro, and sukshma micro srotasa through various dhamni. Here dhamnis may be a vascular path, that is artery, or a motor impulse by the nerve. At this place srotasa liquefaction of the dosha can take place by the virtue of agni and break down into the several particles by the tikshna gunaha. Due to apunarbhava, due to anupravana bhava, these dosha enter into the amashya. These dosha are stimulated by the udana vayu. Vamana aushadha has an urdhva bhaga prabhava due to its agni and vayu mahabhuta pradhanya. Combined effect of both above the facts is that dosha move towards the oral cavity and are finally removed through the mouth. Here urdhva bhaga prabhava can be related to the ability to a certain drugs that direct induce a chemoreceptor trigger zone, or if vagas do not occur, patient should be guided to use a erandanal, that is a small stick of a eranda plant or figure to induce a vega. It can be correlated with the mechanical stimulation of the pharynx. It is one of the cause of vomiting, which eventually it leads to a vomiting reflex. Vamana Karmukta, that is a mechanism of action, can be best illustrated by the flow diagram. According to modern science, vomiting center of a medulla and the chemoreceptor trigger zone, that is a CTZ. Vomiting reflex, sensory impulse from the vomiting due to irritated or a distended part of the GI tract. These impulses are transmitted to the vomiting center through the vagus or the sympathetic afferent nerve fibers. Vomiting center lies bilaterally in the medulla oblongata near the nucleus of a tractus solitarius. Motor impulses from the vomiting center are transmitted through 5th, 7th, 9th and the 11th cranial nerves to the upper part of the GI tract and through the spinal nerves to the diaphragm and the abdominal muscle. Precautions to be taken during a vamana. Lalat pratighate, that is a support lalat pratigrahe, that is a support the patient's forehead. Prashva aprahane, that is support the patient waist. Nabi paripidane, rubbing the umbilical region. Prushta mardane, that is a massage over the back region in a pratiloma gati, upward direction. Support a patient's forehead, waist, prevents the damage that may occur due to a fall or imbalance during a procedure. Rubbing of the umbilical region and massage over the back region facilitate the vega. It also relieves pain by stimulating a release of the opioid peptides, for example enkephalin, dynorphin, endorphin from the pituitary, which close the gate and block the pain. Then it is based on the gate control theory from the pain proposed by the psychologist Ronald Melzak and the anatomist Patrick Wall. In the association with the ACTH, endorphin is a secreted under the normal condition. Endorphin is not a secreted in enough quantity to have an effect on the body. It means whenever endorphin is a whenever endorphin are secreted, ACTH is also secreted, but ACTH may cause a mild increasing in the BP. Patient are advised for the Vamana should exercise which put a pressure on the abdominal muscle for at least 7 days prior to the Vamana karma. So post procedural abdominal pain can be summarized. Vitals: BP must be noted before, during and after Vamana. Patient with hypertension take a special precaution, should not massage back during the Vamana. Doctor should keep in the mind that there is a mild increasing in the BP, pulse and sweating during the Vamana. Observation: table number 1 shows observation indicate stages of a dosha in a Vamana karma. Sweating may be attributed to the sympathetic motor action. Observation: sweating dosha pravileyanam, that is liquefying doshas or toxin. Low Maharsha doshas are detached from their site. Kukshi Adman reach to the Kukshi. Rullasa, that is Urdhvaha Mukhi towards the mouth. When a dosha reaches the stomach, they affect the gastric mucosa, which stimulated the vagal and the enteric nervous system. Vagus and enteric nervous plexus carry the impulse to the vomiting center and the emesis occur. Nausea is an unpleasant sensation which induces the desire of vomiting. It is characterized by the secretion of a large amount of saliva containing the more quantity of the mucus. Salivation may be attributed to the parasympathetic nervous system. Mild elevation of a BP, that is systolic and diastolic, pulse, temperature, respiration may attributed to the sympathetic stimulation. Structure pathway of a woman, that is emesis. Anatomically, woman is an highly integrated and complex reflex involving both autonomic and the neural pathway. Beginning of the antiperistalsis, these run from the ileum towards the mouth through the intestine. Velocity of antiperistaltis is about 2 to 3 centimeter per second. Deep inspiration followed by temporary cessation of breathing, closure of glottis, closure of glottis and the cessation of breathing restrict entry omitis into the lung. Upper and forward movement of larynx and the hyoid bone. Elevation of a soft palate restrict the entry of a omitus into the nasopharynx. Synchronous contraction of the diaphragm, intercostal muscles and the abdominal muscle with the characteristic jerk lead into the elevation of intra-abdominal pressure. Compression of the stomach between diaphragm and the abdominal wall resulting into the intragastric pressure. Relaxation of the esophageal sphincter, epiglottis is closed and the larynx is raised to open and open the upper esophageal sphincter. Opening of the esophageal sphincter result into the emesis. Neurogenic pathway of the Vamana karma. Table number 2 shows the action of various nerves on the respective organ during a Vamana. First, vagus, esophagus, lower and the upper sphincter, body of the stomach and the pyloric antrum, spinal, respiratory muscle, inspiration and the abdominal muscles. Phrenic nerve, diaphragm descends, increase intra-abdominal pressure. Vomiting act phases. In the reaching phase, the abdominal muscle undergo a few rounds of a coordinated contraction together with the diaphragm and the muscle used in the respiratory inspiration. For this reason, an individual may confuse with this phase with an episode of a violent hiccups. In this reaching phase, nothing has to be yet been expelled. In the expulsive phase, intense pressure is a form in the stomach brought about the enormous shift in both diaphragm and the abdomen. These shifts are essence vigorous contraction of these muscles that last for the extended period of time, much longer than the normal period of a muscular contraction. The pressure is then suddenly released when an upper esophageal sphincter relaxes and result in the expulsion of a gastric content. Individuals who do not regularly mm, exercise their abdominal muscle may experiences a pain in those muscle for the few days. Samyaka yoga, dosha are eliminated in a sequence: firstly kapha, then pitta, then lastly vata. Pitta ante vamana is considered as a shrestha. Hridaya shuddhi, murdha shuddhi, laghutva can be achieved. Acharya describe vamana result into a indriya prasadam, that is all five sense organ functions properly. Hridaya is the site of all the jnanendriya. Here indriya may be the brain. Only brain can control all the five senses. Laghutva, that is lightness of the body. It is due to the removal of a dosha in imbalanced state. Dosha in case of a vamana are mostly fatty substance, because of the recent study revealed that there is a decrease in a LDL, triglyceride, and the serum cholesterol after the vamana. Conclusion: according to the study, we can conclude that Vamana Vidhi procedure and the Vamana Karmukta mechanism of action described by the Acharya Charaka has a scientific base in the Ayurveda and the modern medical science also. Vamana is a safe treatment if we follow guidelines stated by the Acharya and precaution mentioned in this study. Thank you so much. This article is really nice to understand how the Vamana Karma is a mm, scientific interpretation of the one. Thank you.